Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 170, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall applications from this watch. So let's get started. So you can uninstall applications from your watch in two ways. The first way is to do it directly on the watch, and the other way is to use the Garmin Connect or Garmin IQ store on the phone that is paired with your watch. And I recommend this option, the phone application, because it's a lot more convenient and I would say intuitive to use. But I'm gonna show you both ways. So to use the app, you simply open the Connect IQ store on the phone that is paired with your watch, then go to device page, and here you select my device apps, and you have the list of applications installed on your watch, and you can tap on the app and then tap on more options icon, and then tap on uninstall, and then uninstall, and the app will be removed from your watch. And if you want to use the directly on the watch option, you simply open the activities and apps menu by pressing the start button, then scroll through it, look for the app you want to remove, then press and hold the app button, then tap on delete from device, and then press the upper button to confirm, and the app will be removed. And basically that's how you uninstall applications from this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.